Assalamualaikum, welcome to English Language Center Bangladesh. I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So it's me Lamekta Fiona from batch PT 155, and today I'm here to describe a time when I met a new friend. So without any further delay, let's jump onto the topic. So I'm an extrovert person who likes to make so many friends, and I have been making friends in my schools, coaching centers, and everywhere. So it's like a little bit of confusing for me to describe a time when I made a new friend, but as it's the event of ELC, so I want to talk about how I made friends in English Language Center Bangladesh. So I came here on 2025 January, and when I first came here, I was really nervous to make friends as I didn't know any of them. So when it was January, I didn't talk with any one of them a little bit because I was introvert and we didn't communicate that much. But after February, I started to feel comfortable around them, and they were also really friendly, and they called me out for communicating, and then slowly I became friends with everyone in my batch, and all my batchmates are sitting there right now, and I'm really happy to have them as my friend. It is a really nice thing for me to have friends like them, and I hope that we will always be close like this. And that is all for today. I'm really thankful to my teacher for giving me the opportunity to talk here, and also thank you for listening to me. Assalamualaikum once again.